Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are checking out stocksnap.io. This is an online library where you can find copyright-free images, and as you can see, they're beautiful free stock photos. So new CC0 images added daily, free from copyright restrictions. If you click on this, it'll take you through their license and their different agreements if you are curious about any of that and want to read more in depth in that. I'm not going to do that here because I want to show you how to use the website. So if you want to just right there in the search bar, you can search for whatever you would like. Maybe I want to search for a mountain landscape. Important thing right here is if you see any of these ones that are sponsored with the stars at the top, if you actually click on them, they take you to iStock Photo. So it's not actually on StockSnap. So you need to scroll down past the sponsored ones. There we go, to get to these ones. You can click on one there. You can still see we're on the stocksnap.io website. You can see the photographer, the views, the favorites, the downloads, the resolution, the size, and then here's the license there. So again, you can see that license. You can click on that. It's going to take you right here and talk about the CC0 One Universal. So there you go. This is public domain by waiving all of his or her rights. So you can use these photos for pretty much anything, which is awesome. So there you can download it, which is really easy, and you can also add it to favorites. So in the top right corner, once you've created an account, maybe I want to add this one to favorites. You can click on this little heart button here, and there you go. I've added a few photos to favorites, and you can have them all collected in the same spot. So maybe if you want to just add it to favorites and download it later, you don't want to have a ton downloaded, you could just have them in this favorites section here, and you know where you can find them. You don't have to have everything downloaded right to your computer all at the same time. Once you have your own account, you can also upload your own, submit photos and upload your own. If you want to give back in any way, if you have photos that you think other people would like to use. So stocksnap.io is pretty easy to use. I like that they have the feature that you can favorite and you can organize those favorites in that spot. They're all there for you to use. Great website with some great photos. If you have any questions about it, feel free to send me a message or comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. If you haven't checked out my other videos about other online galleries and websites where you can find copyright-free images, I'll link that playlist in the description of this video as well. Thanks for joining me here. We'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.